In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track incoming and outgoing cash in Xero. We'll do this by using Xero's built-in Business Health Scorecards, specifically the Profitability template in Xero Analytics, which gives you clear, ready-made dashboards that highlight how money moves through your business and what that means for performance. Start by logging into your Xero account. From your main dashboard, head to the Reporting menu. This is where Xero groups the tools that turn your raw transactions into insights. In the reporting area, select Business Health Scorecards. Think of scorecards as focused dashboards that bring key financial signals together in one place, making it easier to understand what's driving results without digging through multiple reports. Next, click Manage Scorecards. This is the control panel where you can add curated sets of metrics created by Xero. Choose Add Business Health Scorecard from Template. Templates save time because they're pre-configured with metrics that work well together, so you don't have to build a dashboard from scratch. Select Profitability. While profitability is not the same as a cash flow statement, the metrics in this template help you track how effectively incoming cash from sales turns into profit after outgoing costs. This gives you a practical, high-level view of money in and money out as they impact performance. Now, review the profitability metrics and financial ratios presented. You'll see indicators that summarize how well your revenue covers your costs and what's left after expenses. Pay close attention to metrics like gross profit margin and net profit margin. Gross profit margin focuses on revenue minus direct costs, showing how efficiently you turn sales into gross profit before overhead. Net profit margin takes it further by including operating and other expenses, revealing how much of every dollar of revenue you actually keep. Watching these margins over time helps you spot whether rising costs, pricing changes, or shifts in sales mix are affecting the cash your business retains. When you're ready to use this view, click Add Template. Xero will add the Profitability scorecard to your scorecards list, so it's always a click away. Finally, review the new Profitability dashboard metrics. Scan for trends, look for significant changes, and consider what's driving them: higher direct costs, lower sales, or increased overhead. With this ready-made dashboard, you can quickly track business profitability and overall financial performance using Xero Analytics, giving you a clear, efficient way to understand how incoming and outgoing cash flow through your results.